All right, good evening, guys. It's been a while. I hope you've all been fine. So today I want to show you how to open freeform windows on your Android phones. Okay, this is exclusive to Android users alone. So if you're using any kind of Android phone, be it your Tecno, Infinix, your Itel, or whatsoever, just make sure you have up to 2 gig of RAM and an octa-core processor for this hack to work. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you what freeform windows look like. As you can see, this is my phone. I have multiple windows open. I can drag them anywhere I want. As you can see, this is Chrome. In fact, I can interact with the windows simultaneously. Okay, let me show you here. This is TikTok now. As you can see, it's working. See, I'm on TikTok right now. As you can see, I can actually interact with TikTok. I can pause. I can just jump to Chrome, then search for something, you know, browse for something, then search for it is going to go. Then I can also do the same for WhatsApp. You can see I have my WhatsApp window open here, and I can actually chat with anybody I want. I can do anything I want. So the advantage of this is that you can do, three, four, five things at the same time on your phone. But the only downside is the windows will just be small, but it's still kind of good. So how did I achieve this? Mind you, I'm using a Tecno phone, Tecno Spark 5 Pro, to perform this. Most of this feature is, this particular feature is seen on flagship devices, but actually there's an hidden settings you need to enable on your phone that will make you have this windows that I showed you earlier. So let's go to how I was able to enable it. And just to clear your doubts, I'm going to show you the spec of my phone just to let you know I'm using a Tecno phone. As you can see, this is Tecno Spark 5 Pro. As you can see, so this is actually working. So without further ado, let's go to how I was able to you know get to do that. By default, sorry, some Android phones enable this feature by default. That means you don't have to like go to settings to enable it, but there are some that you need to go down to your settings to enable it. Just like my phone, by default my phone is not enabled to do that, to perform or to use that feature. So now the first thing you want to do is to enable developer option on your phone. So developer option is this set of features that is meant for developers. It's actually locked away and it's for experimental purposes. So to do that, on your phone you need to go to settings. I'm actually using Android 10 right now. So what I will do is I will go to my settings, then to system here, then there it is, developer option. And if you cannot find that, what you need to do is you look for a way to navigate to your phone's build number. Okay, some phones might be different. All you need to do is just locate that build number, and if you cannot find it, you can probably search for it on your phone. Build number. So we are just going to wait. As my phone is quite slow, but let's just wait for it. So build number is out. We click on it and you get us to where we want. So now once you get to build number, the next thing you want to do is to tap on this build number like 5 times. Then you get this message that you're one step from a developer. Then you keep on clicking till you get the message that you are already a developer. In my own case, you can see it's saying no need, you're already a developer. After that, the developer option feature will be available on your phone. Then you can also look for it or you search for it just like I did the other time. Then you open it. Once you click on, you open it, then you scroll all the way down. Then you look for enable freeform windows. So this is what we are looking for: enable freeform windows. You enable it. By default it's usually off, but since you want to use it, you just double it on, and that is it. Now once it's on, some phones might prompt you to restart, while some might just let you play with the feature. So if you want to use it, you open your app. Let me clear all the apps in the background on my phone so I will explain to you properly. Now it's cleared. Okay, let me just clear it. Now everything is clear. Now what we want to do is to look for the particular app we want to open. Let's say we want to open TikTok Lite. Now
take a look at this.
Okay, TikTok Lite is playing. Then you go to your minimize button. Then you go to the app's logo. Don't tap on the app's name, but tap on the logo. Make sure you're tapping on the logo. You tap on the logo, then you'll be greeted with two options: app info and freeform. You tap on freeform, then you wait for the magic to happen. As you can see, it has been minimized to a very small window where I can move it anywhere I like on my screen. So let me just move it here. Okay, so let's say you want to open another app. Let's try Gmail. Gmail is here. Let's try Gmail. Then you just repeat the previous step. You tap on it, freeform. So just this is it. My Chrome has been minimized. You can do that for as many apps as you want, but based on my screen orientation and aspect ratio, I don't think I can have more than 4 freeform windows. So let's say let me try opening a third one. Let's just follow the usual protocol, then tap on boom play. I go to freeform. So yeah, so now I have 3 floating windows that I can interact with simultaneously. Is that not cool? Yeah, this is very cool. It's a very cool feature. In fact, you can I think you can resize it. Okay, there's no way to resize it here because my screen is filled up. So let me just particularize it to you. This is TikTok. You can actually scroll on TikTok. My videos are playing. Then you can just go to boom play. Then navigate. Go to my library. Interact with the app, and you can see everything is working really perfectly. Yeah, so as you can see, it's working. Then I can also go to my Gmail and interact. So this is just exactly what freeform windows can do for you. Did you find this hack helpful? If you found it helpful, please don't forget to drop a subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching.